Today, we're going to build a twin pod cloud car using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x3 plate piece. And on the back of this 1x3 plate piece, I'm going to grab 2 of these 1x1, 1x1 bracket plates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that bracket plate onto the back side of my 1x3 plate like this. So that little stud is facing up. And I'm going to hit both ends of my 1x3 plate so the brackets are lined up to those front 2 studs on the side. Now on those front studs, what I'm going to do is grab 2 of these 1x1 cone pieces and put on the left and the right stud and just leave that center stud free. And when we do that, you can kind of see the shape of our cloud car coming in here. And on the top, that's where the canopy or the cockpit of our cloud car is going to be. I'm going to grab 2 of these 1x1 round translucent black tile pieces and just put them right there on those top studs from our 1x1 bracket plates. And the reason I'm doing this tile instead of a plate is because when you have a plate, you get that little stud that sticks up, and it's just a little too big for such a micro scale vehicle. So I'm going to get those tile pieces on, and now you can see the front looks great, but we need a little more extension in the back. It's too flat back here. So to get it to come out just a little bit more, I'm going to grab 2 1x1 round plates and just put them on the back of those bracket plates I have with my cockpit or canopy window. And here we have a completed Bespin twin pod cloud car, can't say that 5 times real fast, to fly around Cloud City.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.